A woman was sued for creating a public nuisance after feeding a stray cat during a blizzard. When the judge heard why she did it, her response went viral.
Your Honor, it was 10 degrees below zero. The cat was shivering on my porch and looked like it was starving. I gave it a bowl of tuna and a blanket. I couldn't just let an animal freeze to death on my doorstep.
Your Honor, feeding stray animals attracts vermin, raccoons, and creates a sanitary hazard for the neighborhood. She violated the HOA's strict no wildlife feeding policy. I am seeking $500 for preventative pest control services.
You are suing her for showing compassion to a freezing animal? That cat isn't vermin, it's a living creature trying to survive. Compassion doesn't lower property values, but your cruelty certainly does. Case dismissed.